Hello everyone. So again today we shall be doing the pick a card wherein your left side is card 1 and the right side here is card 2. So you can call on your angels, archangels, divine, Baba, Merlin, whomever you feel connected to and say, oh dear God, oh dear universe, dear Merlin, I would like to connect to the universe to know which is the card that is meant for me and which is the card or which are the cards that shall tell me what is in store for me today. So I shall give you a couple of seconds to decide and then we will open the cards. Okay, so now let's take out the set of card 1. Okay, now these are the two cards, beautiful cards. The Queen of Coins and the Page of Cups. So basically today, financially, if you are expecting some loan to get approved, then it might get approved. If you are looking in for salary increment, then yes, that will happen. If you are looking for some sort of a small profits, be it in shares or be it in your mutual funds, then it is expected, because financially I see it is there, but at the same time I feel whatever will come your way today will go as an expense also. This is what I feel when I see the card. Now coming to the Page of Cups, I feel you'll be happy, you'll be content that everything is going well and new things are coming in your life, be it in work front or be it in your personal life. But overall you'll feel things are changing for good and there is progress, and that progress is somewhere making you happy and making you peaceful. Today you will need to wear something in blue, preferably sky blue color, and if possible in the morning just burn a diya, burn a lamp with ghee and one clove in it, the long in it, and just let Hanuman Chalisa go in the background, or if you know Hanuman Chalisa, chant the Hanuman Chalisa one time and then you can start your day. So let's see what the Kali Mata cards are going to say for you today. That's a beautiful card, Mahavidya. So usually Mahavidya is more wisdom. So maybe if there is some anxiety which is there inside you, the goddess is telling you to let go of the anxiety and just take the wisdom that you get from that. Don't become distressed over a situation, because this is temporary and things are going to change. So today just fold your hands in prayer to this beautiful goddess and say, oh dear Kalima, oh dear Mahavidya Ma, today I shall not stress over anything. I shall just take everything that is happening today is for good and it is destined for you, and I shall take this as a solution to all the problems and also as a solution towards my better future. Om Jai Ma Kali. So this is what you will say and you will start your day. If possible, look at this lotus and take the energies of that lotus also, and if you have a lotus at your home, then take the lotus and keep it in your altar, whichever goddesses you have, and take the blessings from them for a blessed day. So that's about card 1. Now let's see what is card 2 in store today. Okay, 3 of cups is a day of enjoyment, but if you see the 8 of cups, maybe it is like, a lot of expenses. So maybe you'll be partying, you'll be enjoying, but end of the day you will feel that too much of money is spent. So it's okay, I would suggest maybe you needed that break and that is the reason you ended up spending money also. Maybe it can also be that some small loss is also indicated. So don't invest in shares or don't invest in any mutual funds today. Just invest your if you are just going out for a party or something, then it is okay, but don't invest in anything today, property or anything, because maybe there is a loss which is coming in future. So let us see what the card has in store for you. Okay, that's another beautiful card, manifestation card. I feel the card is just indicating that if there is expense happening, just do it and see your blessings and don't crib over it, because loads of blessings are coming your way and lot of manifestation is happening. So today, start your day with the chant, divine blessings flow to me so easily. I repeat, divine blessings flow to me so easily. So do like the video, do share the video to your blessed ones so that they can also be guided for the day, and do subscribe the channel, click the bell icon if so that you will know as and when I bring in videos. And I hope you all are resonating with the readings, both card 1 and card 2. Have a blessed day ahead. Thank you.